Our Smart Services program is backed by a team of skilled technicians who are ready to work on your aircraft. We also have the CRC, which is the Customer Response Center, open 24/7 for troubleshooting and parts ordering. And we also have a team of very experienced account managers that handle all the aircraft enrolled in the program, which gives you true cost protection, peace of mind, and keeps you flying.
I think one of the things about the Smart Part program that's terrific is that it gives you certainty and it gives you consistency with what you're having as a product. And what it does is it allows an operator to have a baseline understanding of where the costs are going to be.
We've always been happy with the service, and there seems to be a lot more options now. Back, 10 years ago, it was mainly just for parts, and now there's interior options. You can get completion coverage, you can get scheduled maintenance, you can get landing gear coverage.
A program like Smart Parts is actually really important as a lender. We really ask for clients to enroll in maintenance programs like Smart Parts, like engine maintenance programs, APU programs. It's really an insurance that the value is at all time maximized.
Well, it's very simple. Makes our life easier, that we know cost. We don't have to stress with costs that we can acquire during the year. And it's just very well tailored.
As an owner and someone with a company with almost 100 employees, one of the things that's important for me is being able to predict the cost of the airplane you're operating. That's very important. And Smart Parts Preferred gives me that capability. If you want to provide greater security around your operation, it makes total sense. That's why it's smart.